Ow!
Oh, are you okay?
Oh, it's on now.
Oh. Be careful.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. She's okay. Just give her a little hug. She'll be fine.
Hey, baby. It's a castle. Can you say castle? Castle?
I bet I know what she can do. I bet she can knock it down.
Boom! She likes when I knock it down.
Hi, Magnus. Why is there a sock on the floor behind you, Jack? It's a random sock.
No baby socks in my corner. No babies in my corner. No babies. Ow! She says, I love you, Magnus.
She does love Magnus.